If you're thinking about using ShipBob for your dropshipping needs, there are 12 things you need to know before you make the leap. Compared to other options like fulfillment by Amazon or Shopify fulfillment, ShipBob stands out in some areas, but there are a few things you should be aware of to ensure it's the right fit for your business. Stick around till the end for our recommendation on a better option you can try for free. First thing, ShipBob integrates easily with major e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. It's a solid choice if you want to connect all your tools seamlessly and save time. Next thing, ShipBob's pricing structure can be a bit complex. They charge for storage, picking, packing, and shipping, and the costs depend on the size and weight of your products. This is where you might find it a bit pricier than other providers like EasyShip or Shipmonk, especially if your products are bulky. The third thing, ShipBob has a large network of fulfillment centers across the US, which helps reduce shipping times and costs. But if you're targeting global markets, you might run into higher international shipping fees. Competitors like Shipwire might offer more robust international fulfillment options. The fourth thing, their customer service is generally well reviewed, but during busy seasons, response times can slow down. While competitors like FBA might offer 24/7 support, ShipBob could leave you waiting if issues arise during peak times. Next thing, ShipBob offers a range of advanced features like automated inventory management, real-time order tracking, and data analytics. This is great for optimizing your dropshipping business, though it does come at a cost. Other platforms like ShipHero or Stamps.com may offer similar features, but with more flexible pricing options. The sixth thing, ShipBob's onboarding process is user-friendly, and the setup time is pretty quick compared to competitors like Red Stag Fulfillment, which can sometimes take longer to get up and running. The seventh thing, one of the standout features of ShipBob is their commitment to sustainability. They offer carbon-neutral shipping and environmentally friendly packaging, which could be a big selling point for eco-conscious customers. Next, ShipBob provides excellent scalability. As your business grows, it's easy to add more products and expand your fulfillment network. However, for startups or small businesses, the costs can accumulate quickly as you add more inventory, unlike solutions like Printful, which might offer more flexibility for smaller operations. The ninth thing, ShipBob's reporting tools give you a detailed overview of your business's performance, which is essential for making data-driven decisions. But these tools are limited compared to the more advanced analytics offered by other platforms like fulfillment.com. The 10th thing, ShipBob is not ideal if you're operating in a niche market or need highly customizable packaging options. While their standard packaging is reliable, other services like Shipmonk offer more flexibility when it comes to branding. Next thing, ShipBob offers a 4-day free trial, which is enough time to get a feel for their service. But keep in mind that after the trial, you're locked into their pricing model. It's less flexible than some competitors that offer month-to-month plans. The 12th and final thing, it's important to know that while ShipBob offers great automation, it's still not as customizable as a fully managed service like FBA, which may suit businesses that need more hands-on support. Overall, ShipBob is a solid option for many dropshippers, especially if you're scaling fast or looking for a comprehensive, easy-to-integrate service. But if you want a more flexible, cost-effective solution, check out our recommended option, which you can try for free to see if it's a better fit for your business needs.